Welcome back, everybody. Cliff again with turn 4 out of 12 of our firefight in the hills. Well, things are still up close and personal. We've routed the machine gunner. His assistant is okay. We need to hold the line yet. I don't think I took an initiative card, which means we need to get one. And for this turn, it's a discard. Pretty good initiative. Doesn't affect that much. These guys are up close and personal now, so they can charge. They can throw grenades. Nearly everybody is spotted. So I'm going to rapid fire here. I'm going to rapid fire from here. I'm going to rapid fire from here. And I'm going to aim fire at these guys. I'm going to rapid fire with this guy. And here. I have to evade back here. I have to sneak Bucko back to get patched up. He's badly wounded. I'm going to put an aim fire here. Because killer's going to cover. So we're going to sneak back here behind the level 2 ridge. We'll evade back. We'll set up a medical aid next turn. That's my plan. Now let's see what the heck happens to it. I'm just going to put those off to the side. Draw their orders. Bold in the open. Charge a grenade. Let's grenade first, then charge. Grenade for a 5. Nope, charge for a 5. Yeah. Charging. And this guy, bold in the open. Run and gun 6.5. This routing is in line of sight. He's in the open. He has to sneak. 3-2. And this guy has 2 in sight, so he's going to aim fire. He should still be bold. Alright, this blue guy is in cover. Come on. Rapid fire. This blue guy's in cover. Evade 5-6. This yellow guy's in cover. Run and gun 5. This white guy's in cover. Run and gun 6. This yellow guy's in cover. Grenade or charge or evade 5. Grenade. Charge. Evade 5. Oh, this white guy's in cover. Run and gun, too far away, 5-6. Red guy. It's in the open. Rapid fire. They're in the open. White guy on top. Run and gun 1 or charge. 1, 2, 3, 4. He can charge. Does not. Run and gun 1. The white guy under him is badly wounded, cautious in the open. Aim fire. And we got aggressive in the open for the blue guy. Sneak 5-6 or charge. Charge. Who's blue gonna charge? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. He's charging Sandman. All right. Don't know if we can cut him down beforehand. Tough visibility. We got one left here. This red guy. Well, let's get rid of that card. Red guy in cover. Evade 5. That looks like it. Our best is 22. And then in the 30s. We had pretty good numbers, but they got even better. White, red, baker blue. White, red, baker, blue. Yellow, Abel, Charlie. All right. White, red, baker. White, impulse 1. 6 is down. Runs. Can't spot. 5s. Here. Cannot spot anybody. We're already spotted. Running gun 1 is straight down. Everybody's spotted down here. Red. This guy's sneaking, this guy's aim firing. Neither of them can do anything this impulse. Rapid firing's not doing anything and he can't spot anybody. This is a blind hex. 2, 1, 1. Yeah, blind. 5 is up. Nobody to spot. White, red, Baker, blue, yellow. Baker. Aim, fire. Going after the machine gunner, but he can't shoot. It's aim, fire. Machine gunner, but he can't shoot. It's aim, fire. Trying to spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Evading in trees. 8. 0 definitely spots him. He's gone. Dummy. And my other Baker's evading back. Blue, yellow. Rapid. Charging. I said he was charging Sandman. Yellow, run and gun 6. Out of LOS. Charging. Charges into here and loses his charge. We just get a melee. He doesn't get a charge for that. Run and gun 5. Nobody to spot. Evading 5. Nobody to spot. Able, Charlie. I forgot to do these guys. I was going to put runs and guns on them. Able. Run. Able, rapid fire, I can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a 0. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 shots for 4. Rerolling that. Three hits on the assistant gunner. And we're deadly. Close call, bad wound, light wound, enemy event. Okay, we're going to have to do the enemy event. We'll take the bad wound. We got a light wound. First the bad wound. Deck this guy back. Gets a bad wound. Fails. Goes down 2. All right. The enemy event is a 0. That goes to ours. Friendly event is a 1. We have specific tables for these events. Firefight. I'm a 1. Friendly 1. More ammo. Remove all low ammos. I don't think I've got any low ammos yet. Another bad wound. And the third one's either a close call or a KIA. He's dead either way. Enter kills. Got him. Down 2. That's Able. Rapid fire here. Level 1 to level 1. I could see that. He's a 6, 7, 6, 5, 4. Missed. Well, yep. That's Able. Charlie bringing up the rear. Running gun. Rapid fire here from level 1 to level 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sneaking in the open. Four, 3, 2, 1, 0. Missed. Rapid fire here. 6, 7, 8. 7, 6. 5. 3 shots for 5. 2 hits. Close call, light wound. Close call. Fails. And he goes down 2. Light wound. Fails, goes down 2 more. He's ducked back. He's routed. He goes down 1 more. We're sneaking off here. Got an aim fire here with nobody to spot. All right, impulse 2, white, running gun, can't gun, run 6, running gun, can gun, he's a 4, 3, 2, 1, the guy in the open. 0. Low ammo. Got aim fire here. He can shoot back at this aim fire. He's a 3, 2. He's wounded though. He's a 3, -4, which is a -1, -2, -3. He needs a 0 and a 1. He gets low ammo. Run and gun. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Missed. White. Red Baker. Red sneaking 3. Down off the hill. Rapid fire. Evade 5. Bakers. Aim fire at this guy. 5, 6. Duck back in the open is 5. Hits him. Boxcars. Bad wound. Does not kill him. Can't go any lower than route. 5, 6, 7. 6. Hits him. This is checkmate. Bad wound kills him. Checkmate kills him. That gives us one more in the confidence. KIA equals 1. These guys can try to spot this guy. Both these bakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run and gun in trees. Got an 8 and a 4. Run and gun in trees is a 0. An 8 spots him. Okay. Those are my bakers. One more baker. He's going to go down here and duck back. And actually, this guy moves here this turn and ducks back as well. He didn't move last time. That was impulse 1. He couldn't have sneaked then. What the hell? There. Those are my bakers. Blue, yellow. Okay, blue. Rapid fire. Charging, still charging here. Yellow. Got a melee. He's a 5, 6, 9. Missed. Run and gun. He can't gun. Because he can't shoot at that. These guys are out of LOS. So he's going to go 5. Right there. Run and gun can gun. He's a 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. Missed. That's yellow. Able, Charlie, impulse 2, able. Got a run and gun here. These guys are going to both be spotted. Able 8, 9, 8, 7, 6. Missed. Rapid fire. I'm going to try to take this guy out. 8, 9, 8, 7. 3 shots. I'm going to re-roll that one. 3 hits, and I'm deadly. Close call, or a bad wound. Light wound, or a light wound. Friendly event. Bad wound and a light wound. Bad wound. Passes, goes down 1. Light wound. Fails, goes down 2. Friendly event. My friendly event is a 4. Initiative. Change one friendly order or re-roll on this table. Change an order. I'm going to change this guy to medical aid. I think I need to find a true medic in order for this to work. We'll steal his order. Put it down here. We'll take this duck back off and put it on him. And put the medical aid up here. Alright, last hit. Light wound or bad wound. That kills him. Gets another kill here. That takes him down another one. And my last able is a rapid fire here, which I can go across to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's a 0, 6, 5, 4, 3, running gun in trees. 2, 1, 5. That's able. Charlie. Impulse 2, I'm in melee. I need anything but a 9. Yeah. 0. And I'm deadly. Jeez. Friendly event. 2. Change any order or re-roll. I'll re-roll. 1. More ammo than we thought. Removed low ammos. Nothing. Close call. Light wound. We light wound him. He goes down 1. Got a run and gun here. Can't see anybody, so they're just going to run into this mosh pit. This guy already shot. Charlie ran in. Charlie rapid fire here. He's going to shoot down at this running gun in trees. 4, 3, 2, 1, -1. Missed. Actually, he was probably shooting at this sneak, but it still missed. We're shooting at the sneak. This guy can't. This guy's a rapid fire. He can only shoot across here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 shots for 1. Got a hit. Friendly event. That has no effect. KIA. That was Wildman. That takes him down 2. Got an aim fire here. It is impulse 2. This guy's hunkering down. He sneaks in. This guy's hunkering down. Eight, 7, 6, 5 for the white guy. 4 hits him. Close call. Passes. Impulse 3, white-red Baker. Run and gun, run 6. Aim fire. Run and gun, runs 1. Red sneaking. Rapid firing. Evading 5. Baker. Aim fire cannot spot through this tree. Aim fire cannot spot through that tree. Medical aid. Blue, yellow. Rapid fire. Charging. Enters into melee. Yellow is in melee. Run and gun. Runs 5. Able Charlie. Abel's going to join the fun. Rapid firing at this running gun in the open. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 shots for 4. 1 hit, and I'm deadly. A bad wound. No effect. Down 1. And a rapid fire here. It's touching that tree. We can go here, duck back in the open. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2. A bad wound. That kills him. Takes them down another one on their confidence tracker. Charlie's tail end Charlie Stuck in melee. Stuck in melee. Rapid firing. Nobody left within line of sight. Stuck in melee. Aim firing. Nobody new to spot. Last impulse. White, red. White. Run and gun. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. That's a shot. 3, 2, 1, 0. Missed. Four. A 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 2. Missed. Run and gun, can't see anybody anymore, so he's going to go 1. Trying to flank. Red. Sneaking 2. Back up onto the hill. Rapid. Evading 5. Baker. Aim fire. I could see that machine gunner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, sneaking in trees. 3, 2. Missed. 5, 4, 3, 2. Missed. Baker's got medical aid. Blue, yellow, blue. Rapid fire. Melee. Hits. Bad wound. Passes, goes down 1. We're going to need to get him some help. Yellow. Hits. You go after the weakest, which is Thumper. Close call. Pass. Yellow. Abel, Charlie. The These guys are all in melee now, so they don't really have their running guns on. 8, 9, anything but 9 hits. Enemy event. A 0 becomes mine. 3 on mine. Change in order, reroll. Reroll to 9. Enemy table 1. More ammo, remove all low ammo from enemy. That's it. Able, close call. He needs a 4. Fails, goes down 1. A rapid fire here. He's going to try for that machine gunner. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3 shots for 3. 1 hit. I'm deadly. Close call. KIA. Got him. That takes them down 1 more. Temporarily breaks their confidence. Able to rapid fire down here at this evade at point blank. 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0. And I'm bold. Light wound. So now I'm aggressive. Duck back. Light wound. Fails, goes down 2. It's able. Charlie bringing up the rear. In here, got Thumper with a 7 and Cookie with an 8. Thumper with a 7, Cookie with an 8. Thumper hits and Cookie hits. Thumper gives him a bad wound. Minus 5. He needs a 0. Fails, goes down 2. Surrenders to Thumper. POW for Thumper. Other order. He gets a guard. Duck back. Thumper gets the guard. Yep. Charlie here's got a rapid fire, and there's nobody else left nearby. And also we got a confidence point off for that. And 2. 1 probably. No, he's badly wounded too. Another 1. I'll double check my math when I'm done. This guy had no shot. Wildman. Hits with the 0. Light wound. Passes, goes down 1. Aim fire here. Doesn't have an LOS there. That level 2 heal is in the way. I think you can get this aim fire in the open though. Yeah. 7, 6. Aim fire in the open. Missed. And that's it. Roll for our medical aid. Passes. This guy's bandaged. We got 1 ongoing melee here. Got a prisoner here. Prisoners give us 1. But the prisoner is badly wounded. So that's 2. There's 2. He's badly wounded. That's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Should be down 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've done it right. He's 2 below break contact. Piling into our lines. He's cautious. He's not going to grenade or charge. This guy's problem though yet. We got a melee here. We're going to have to help out. Wildman is our weak guy. Stuck in melee. Alright. I'm going to remove my moves. Remove my orders. I'm going to go to the display. Discard the cards. Go to the turn. Impulse back to 1. Chits to the box. Go to turn 5 and roll for reinforcements. 4. No reinforcements. Which means they will be withdrawing. They'll have 1 chance to bolster their confidence to come back at me again. So they're going to be withdrawing. We're stuck in melee. We have to resolve that. Healed 1 guy. We're going to have to get another medic up here. No medics nearby. I guess Bax is going to have to take care of him now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bax will work his way north. We can start pressing forward. Because we've cleared this ridge. Victory points are ours for moving forward, so we're going to start moving everybody up. Reinforce our melee. Clean up down here. Running guns might be the way to do it. Get rid of these guys. Patch up our one wounded guy once he gets out of melee, if he survives. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time.